Hi, my name is Dwight Mihalicz. I'm the president of Effective Managers, which is a management consulting firm based in Canada that operates globally. I'm also the chair of CMC-Global, which is the International Council of Management Consulting Institutes. Thank you so much for inviting me here to speak. It's an honor for me to represent CMC-Global and to address you and talk about this great organization. I'm very sorry I cannot be there in person. You know, that was my plan, but I still look forward to coming to Mongolia in the not too distant future and meeting you in person. In terms of the work that we're doing today, I would like to talk to you a little bit about the value proposition of management consulting and how it's changing, and then end with a bit of a discussion about the certified management consultant and its importance to the management consulting industry globally. The first thing about management consulting is that we have to think about it in terms of how it adds value to the client. Because after all, the purpose of the client is to deliver value-added products and services to their target market, to their community. And traditional consulting has done a very good job of that. It usually consists of two different types of consulting. On the one hand, we have the provision of very high-level strategic advisory services. So this is where the consulting practice comes in and provides support to the client for their market positioning. It commands a high prices because it's very specialized expertise. On the other hand, you have the commoditization of some services. In other words, large-scale projects, usually around well-known processes, where teams of consultants, staff augmentation, in other words, are brought in to do the work. This type of consulting typically competes on price. But what we've found is that over time, this traditional two-category dichotomy of consulting is not addressing the gaps met by clients now. They feel that they're not getting the best value that they could from their consulting dollars. The knowledge gap is closing so that client organizations have the knowledge, they understand what their problems are. They're looking for specified expertise to help them do their work and to improve their effectiveness better. So this third category that's emerging is really a symbiotic partnership between a consulting company and the organization it serves. It's no longer about merely providing recommendations, it's about providing work inside the organization that helps to transform the organization. So this new model could be described by the client as help us and train us, and when you leave us, be sure that we have something that we can leverage. So in the same way clients can leverage this new type of approach from consulting, we, through CMC Global, can leverage this as well. It brings a challenge to the consulting industry, certainly, but challenges bring opportunities, and CMC Global, with its member institutes around the world, is very, very well positioned to provide this support. Because by working together, our 56,000 plus members, our 3,500 corporate members, our almost 8,000 certified management consultants can collaborate through this global network to ensure that we have the specialized expertise that we need in different pockets of the world that can be brought together to provide the services that clients need in a timely way and transfer that knowledge and those skills and those methods into the organization. So as a global organization, our vision is that we will be a leader in the development of management consulting as a global profession that will drive social and economic success. So it's not just about management consulting, it's about how management consulting helps our clients to do better work so that they are driving this social and economic success within their own communities. And the certified management consultant is key to this because as a certified management consultant, we can put forward professionals who do this as a profession. Management consulting is their profession, who have demonstrated a rigorous certification process. They have access to and knowledge of this common body of knowledge. They have a certain level of experience that is required. They can demonstrate success. They have the approval of their peers because it's other CMCs and other management consultants that welcome them in and certify them to be at that level. They commit to ongoing professional development, and they also have to abide by a code of conduct, and they're accountable to their peers for abiding to this code of conduct. So at the end then, clients can expect from a CMC to have more valuable advice, higher integrity, transparency, and accountability for delivering services that were committed, access to this global network that I talked about, and confidence in getting the best services and the best value for the consulting dollar that they have. In fact, I believe so strongly in this model that my own business model depends on the mutual respect and trust in the CMC designation, because the effective managers methodology is delivered in most places of the world, but it's through that CMC network because I know that I can trust the quality of those consultants in that part of the world to do what needs to be done, to take the methodology that is a principle, it's a common principle that applies anywhere, but adapt it and use it in the culture and in the organization and in the community and in that society in the way that is going to have the absolute largest impact. So the certified management consultant is the mark. Our members are those national institutes, 49 of them, plus our global institutes. So we can provide these services anywhere in the world where management consultants want to join this profession. Thank you very much for your time today. Good luck with all of your deliberations, and I look forward to seeing you in the not too distant future. Thank you.